Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off floating notification on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference. Some people simply prefer a cleaner and less cluttered user interface without floating notifications. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first of all, open Play Settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can select Notification, and then select Advanced Settings. Okay, so on this page, you can select Floating Notifications, then turn it off by selecting the first option here. Okay, so now you won't receive any floating notifications anymore on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off floating notification on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.